Your physical body. Of course, it's yours, but remember, it's a cosmic technology you borrowed for this specific lifetime. And hopefully it's your last lifetime as a human, so that you can ascend beyond these physical dimensions as a soul. And look, what we call magic has everything to do with this potentiality. Magic exists, not as fantasy or fiction, but as the applied science of consciousness interacting with reality. Magic equals energy. That's the hidden secret. Religions have suppressed this, however simple the equation may seem. The ancients mapped what modern quantum physics now struggles to explain. Consciousness creates reality through observation. But here I challenge myself, if magic works, why doesn't everyone experience it? The answer is activation, potential versus kinetic energy. Your car has potential speed but goes nowhere in your garage. Your inner magic remains dormant until activated. The foundation of all magic starts with your body. 3 energy channels, Ida, Pingala, and Sushumna, form the circuitry. The left channel carries cooling, receptive energy. Right carries heating and projective energy. Center, the superhighway of consciousness itself. Mystical nonsense, you might say. Try this. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Breathe through the left nostril only. Notice cooling. Mind becoming calmer. That's Ida in action. Now switch to the right nostril. Feel warming, increased alertness. That's pingala. That's magic. Magic is prana, chi, and life force. With proper development, it becomes Shakti power. These practices create measurable changes in your nervous system. Left nostril breathing activates parasympathetic response. Right nostril breathing triggers sympathetic response. When you balance these currents, cooling and heating, yin and yang, you create conditions for the central channel to awaken. This activation feels like electricity moving up your spine, transforming everything: intuition, manifestation, awareness, and access to knowledge beyond normal perception. Warning: activating without preparation can be like plugging a 100-watt bulb into a 1,000-watt current. Things get bright before burning out. Magic exists in both order and chaos, creation and destruction. Some harness chaos to disrupt, and others channel order to heal and create order. The difference is your intention and ethics. Without moral direction, power amplifies existing patterns, both constructive and destructive. If you experienced any sensations while trying these breathing techniques, please like and subscribe. I share these advanced methods only with people committed to responsible practice who show engagement with the fundamentals. Your thoughts create reality through neurological filtering. Your brain processes 11 million bits per second, but your conscious mind registers only 50. What determines which 50? Your beliefs and thought patterns. This explains why 2 people experience the same situation differently. Their mental filters determine perception. Your internal landscape manifests externally. Disordered emotions create chaos, while ordered thoughts create order. Thoughts alone lack magical power without the heart's energy behind them. Rigid beliefs create stability but drain vitality. Scattered thinking produces chaos without manifestation. True magic emerges when thought and emotion unite. The mind holds direction while the heart provides power. This explains why mantras work so effectively. They combine ordered thought forms with heart vibrations to create resonance patterns in reality. When you speak with conviction while feeling the emotional essence of your intention, your words become vessels for power. Magic comes alive through the marriage of head and heart. The rational mind provides structure and emotional energy supplies force. Without both elements in balance, your magical efforts remain theoretical rather than transformative. Most manifestation teachings fail because they create internal conflict when your subconscious holds opposing beliefs. Effective magic requires alignment between conscious and subconscious, between word and belief. Programming happens through emotional investment in thoughts. This explains why affirmations often fail while questions succeed. Questions engage both conscious and subconscious in finding answers rather than creating resistance. If you've noticed your reality shifting after changing your perception, drop a comment below. This helps me understand who's actually practicing these techniques rather than passively consuming information. Here's a practical experiment. Before your next significant decision, ask, is this aligned with who I truly am and who I'm becoming? This will shift you from reactive to creative living. Most relationship problems stem from projections, seeing in others what we disown in ourselves. Think of someone who triggers negative emotions. What quality disturbs you? Where might that quality exist in you? Reclaiming projections changes perception by removing distorting filters. Money represents frozen energy. Your relationship with this energy affects financial reality more than external factors. Do you receive with gratitude or entitlement? Spend from fear or joy? Save from security or scarcity? Time transforms through magical awareness. When fully absorbed, time expands. When distracted, it contracts. By cultivating presence, you create more experience time within the same clock hours. Now let me challenge another assumption, that spiritual practice must be separate from daily life. When infused with conscious awareness, the most powerful magic happens in ordinary moments. Cooking dinner, having conversations, making decisions. The ancients understood something modern spirituality often forgets. Complete isolation in natural environments accelerates magical development exponentially. Retreating to mountains for dedicated practice under proper guidance transforms you in months or years, which might take lifetimes in busy society. The greatest adepts throughout history withdrew completely from society to develop their powers. Your faculties awaken most rapidly when separated from the energetic pollution and distractions of modern life. Once mastery is attained in isolation, you can then bring those fully developed powers back into daily reality with maximum effectiveness. But this sounds like hard work, you might say. I wanted instant magical powers. Fair enough. But consider this paradox. The moment you stop seeking magic as something outside yourself is the moment you begin experiencing it everywhere. The pursuit itself creates the illusion of separation from what you already possess. Magic demands direct experience. Your power awakens through practice, not concepts. The magic flows through your nadi channels, through your microcosmic orbit. It pulses with each heartbeat and whispers with each breath. I could continue explaining theories, but that misses the point. Magic lives in direct experience. Your body knows what your mind doubts, and your heart recognizes what your intellect questions. The most powerful realization comes not through understanding, but through experiencing your own consciousness as the creative force it truly is. Not tomorrow after more study, not after years of practice, but right now in this moment of awareness. Your power awaits not in future attainment, but in present recognition. Will you accept the responsibility that comes with it?